Take a ride in the 2021 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, trailering package, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.